Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have challenge lock Dick Dastardly from The Not Ginger. He sent me the lock and the key, just the kick cylinder. I have put it into one of the cases that I made that I was going to put kick cylinders into just to try it. So I'm going to try this, picking it by hand and see how it goes. Okay, do a false set. Using super light tension, just kind of going across and grazing across the pins, trying not to lose the tensioner. So this is not the way he sent it to me, obviously, because I made the box and I'm just wanting to try the box. All right, try not to lose that. Having a little bit of issue reaching some pins, so I'm going to switch picks here and pick up where I left off. I'm not feeling any counter rotation. I know I slipped into a false set and everything's kind of feeling set. So I may bring my vise in. Because I'm thinking I might have to float a couple of pins or something. Not sure this will be what I want, but it's not the pick I want. The pick I want to try next is here. It's a lunatic. And like I said, I'm not really getting anything. every pin I'm touching is pretty solid. So tell you the pick I should try that I haven't used enough and gotten used to enough is this one here by Joe Picks. Okay. Didn't like that. Let's see here. So obviously this lock could have been picked, or can be picked either direction if I take it out of this holder. But in the holder, I have to go to the right, otherwise it's not going to unlock. I'm not getting any feedback to the tensioner. Oh, just as I started to find the pin that was giving me some binding, I dropped this tensioner here. Gonna go back to, well, that's not the pick I wanted. So it feels like things overset really easy. So I can feel a pin in the back giving me some feedback, but it's not lifting up. And that's not going to help it. Okay, so I set that back pin, I think, and now I'm going to try to There we go. Huh, finally. So it took a really light touch, and then there were some that were sticking. So I'm really interested to see what's inside here, especially in those back pins, the back 2 pins. So there's the key. I'm actually going to try to hide the key from the camera, but let's look at what we got. So take the kick cylinder out, and I will lock it, and I will take the tail piece off. Now I'm going to send this video to the Not Ginger first. I'm going to ask him if he wants me to send it in this box or not. It's up to him. And then I'll also put a note whether he wants it to stay in the box while you pick it or not, because that's completely up to him. So I know I didn't hide the key too well when I took it out, but all right. But the key will be in the box, and I've shown this box before, and you can get the key out. If you want to take it out, you could drop that door down and slide the key out of this space. So it is accessible. And I am stuck. There we go. So I'm guessing there's a T-pin or something, because maybe I got stuck on the follower. I think I got stuck in the threads though. So there's something sharp there, I believe. So let's see what he did with the key pins here. Well, I'm sitting here trying to hide the key, and then I drop it, but whatever. It's not top secret, but okay. And you're going to see the pins anyway, so that kind of gives you a clue. So there are 6 pins. I thought there were, but I think it's keyed for 1, 2, 3. What is a 6-pin? This is a 6-pin key. It's a hand cut key. So nothing done on the key pins. They're all standard. There's no overset traps on those. Okay, so we got an arrow for the front. Kind of a weak spring on number 1. It's a spool. Number 2 is a longer pin, so that spring's a little stronger. It's got a round end on it. That nice little shape to that one. Come on. Come on, spring, don't be shy. There we go. And it's much shorter, well, same length, but less coil spring, so it's weird. That one's a wider spring, wider base. It's probably going to wear out faster, but, well, also the length of the pin helped with the strength of that spring. Another kind of light spring. And there's kind of the tapered, it's tapered and it's still got a little end on it. I haven't looked at the core or the Bible to see if he's done any work there. Shoot. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. That spring does not want to come out. I'll get to those springs from the... Actually, I guess I could do it this way, right? Wise up, Chris. Wise up. Caught that pin. It's a very narrow, like upside down chess piece, like a tall pawn shape. Right. That pin doesn't, or that pin, that spring does not want to come out. There we go. This next one hasn't wanted to come out either. Come on. Okay. Maybe it doesn't want to come out because it... There it is. I would say it isn't there, but it's there. All right. Let's take a closer look at what we have here. Might light over just a touch. So this one was the last one to go, and it has it's not really as much of a lip as I thought. It's just kind of a rough cut. But yeah, some nice spool work here, and a lot of good action. Let's look at the core. I didn't feel any work, didn't see any work. I'm surprised, as hard as these bit, and I was using really light tension, and there was some, yeah, there's nothing there. Wow. They were just biting really sharp. There's nothing done to the core and nothing done to the Bible, but they just held in there really tight. They bit in really well because they didn't want to move. I got to a deep falset, and yeah, they just had trouble getting over those humps, or at least I did. And maybe my older picking style would have worked a little bit better when I was a little more heavy-handed and I used to pry a little bit more. I've tried to lighten that up a lot. So my older style may have worked a little bit better with this lock to kind of, like I said, more heavy-handed, force things a little bit more. But yeah, it was a really nice challenge lock. Again, it was Dick Dastardly by the Not Ginger. So I will see how he wants me to send it out. I'm kind of mixed on the box. I'm gonna have to pick this again and try it with the box again, but right now I'm kind of mixed on it. It does add a little bit of complexity. This would probably be easier if I just used you know, my standard holder here. It probably would have picked a little bit easier because you would have had more feel to it. So it does deaden the lock a little bit, which for a challenge lock, that's a good thing. So that's it. That's all I got. Thanks everyone, and thanks for stopping by, and have a great rest of your day.